Hello my lovely Misfitians, and welcome back to another color mixing video. So for this week we're going to continue our journey on gradient studies, and like I said last time, I want to stick to very narrowed down color spectrums, and for this week I wanted to specifically target cooler reds, kind of thinking about rose color tones and work from there. So my two base colors that I used for this was Quintardone, I believe that's how you say it, Lilac from Daniel Smith, as well as Permanent Rose from Windsor. Those were my two base colors, and then I experimented with lots of different colors that were in the cooler hues, I would say, and those included Opera Rose as well as Windsor Red. Scarlet is a bit more on the warmer side in this particular study. However, I felt like it still worked well with the particular colors that I was using as my base color. And then I kind of switched gears and went more into the purple hues, trying to basically dilute my reds into shadow colors that I would think of if a rose was in shadow and I didn't necessarily want to use black or gray. And also I didn't really want to go into a neutral color. I wanted to play around with a cooler tone that would still stand out as colorful, not necessarily a neutral or contrasting color. And this is what my study came out with for this week. Now I do want to say next week I'm going to be taking a break. I'm not going to be uploading a video next week because I have 3 major appointments that I'm going to have to be going to, and I really want all of my concentration on that specifically. But after next week, if everything goes as planned and everything goes well, I am going to pick up on more of the orangey reds, probably foxy colors in the next study. So if you're interested in that, make sure to stay tuned. And as always, y'all, lots of love and happy painting.